Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Hello Kitty while we learn Spanish. We draw a nice bow. Bow in Spanish is LAZO. Let's go with the face. Face in Spanish is CARA. We draw his whiskers. Whisker in Spanish is BIGOTE. Now let's go with the name. Name in Spanish is NOMBRE. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Now we use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.